You see all of this makeup in the background? I'm going to be unboxing all of this, so grab a coffee and let's get started. It feels so good to finally be able to sit and chat with you guys while doing one of my most favorite things in the world, which is unboxing. I have been collecting all of this makeup over the past months, but personal life में थोड़ा लोचा चल रहा है. So I have just been on and off all social media, and I cannot wait to get back on track and expect a lot more videos this coming week and the weeks that are going to follow. Not going to say much, but you're going to see. And these are makeup products that I have either bought, but most of them I've received in PR, and I don't know what else to say because it's a lot of stuff. मैं honestly बता रही हूँ, मैंने खोल लिया है, मैंने देख लिया है, but I really wanted to share it with you guys. So I have not used like 80% of the stuff that's in here, and अब मुझसे wait नहीं हो रहा है. I've just stacked it. As I was filming the intro, I got a little something from Bobbi Brown. So ये अभी mail में आया है. Let's unbox this first. There are two really cute things. Let's see what they are. So this is what the Luxe lip color looks like. I love it. The shade looks beautiful. Okay, so the next thing is the crushed liquid lip from Bobbi Brown. This is what it looks like. Another beautiful shade. I love the consistency of this product. So that's packet number 1 done. Let's go to another Bobbi Brown packet. मेरे को सही में इतना डर लग रहा है कि मेरा सर पे गिरेगा, मेरा सर फूट जाएगा, but let's hope that doesn't happen. This is the Bobbi Brown Pink Glow Highlighting Powder. It does the job kind of like a cream product would do, where it just blends in beautifully. I love this. This is a shade that would look super pretty on most skin tones, and it's just an amazing product. And so next up I have the Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation with SPF 15. This foundation is one of the best foundations I've ever used. Okay, next up I have the Vitamin Enriched Face Base. Now this is a product that I've talked about before on my channel. This is quite an expensive product, especially for a moisturizer cum primer, but this is one of the most amazing products that I've ever used. I bought my first jar myself. I really want to do a really nice, fun, fancy giveaway, and I want to give away gifts to a lot of you because I've missed you guys. And you know what? Let's keep this. Let's keep this one in the giveaway. As we go through the video, I'm going to keep putting products aside, and in the end I'm going to tell you kya products are going in what giveaway, and I'm going to give you all the details in the end, so hopefully watch the video till the end. The next product is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Eye Cream. So this is the same as the face base, but this is specifically like an eye primer. For some reason I have a lot of lipsticks, plus काफी महीनों से भी collect करी थी just to show in this video. So डरना मत कि अगर बहुत सारी lipsticks दिख जाएं. And yeah, let's move on. So this is the Bobbi Brown Crushed Liquid Lip. This is in the shade Juicy Date. This is the shade New Romantic, again beautiful. Next up I have a lipstick. This is the crushed lip color. It's the shade Cali Rose, which is a beautiful shade. Okay, so there are two more products left over here. This one is the Smoky Eye Mascara. It's such a pyara mascara. If you have sparse CD lashes, this is going to give them so much definition, and if you wear it with a volumizing mascara, it's just going to make your eyes look like, it's gonna look like smoky eyes but without the eyeshadow, just with the mascara. So that's pretty much what the name suggests. It's a really beautiful mascara. And this I think is an eye pencil and a lip tint, or just a lip tint. I'm not very sure actually. But it looks nice. It swatches beautifully. It comes with a nice thick-ass sharpener. I'm gonna try and just hurry this up. I'm gonna say this throughout the video, पर आप लोगों को पता है कि मुझे time लगता है, so you guys just know it by now. This one is from Too Faced. This is their Killer Kajal. I also made a post about it on Instagram, which I'm gonna insert here. It's beautiful. It's made specifically for their Indian audiences. This is called Lip Injection Extreme, and what this does is it's a lip plumper. So it has something in it that will temporarily plumpen your lips a little bit. So it's really cool if you just apply it like right on the border of your lips, and it's going to give you that plump look. So for my thin lips women or my thick lips women who like a little bit more plump in their lips, I think this could be a very interesting product. The only drawback is that you have to reapply every few hours because it's not going to make your lips look plump for a long time. This is the Too Faced Sunset Crush High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss. Oh my god, this one is going to be a long one, guys. They have been sending me lipsticks and stuff for a while. They also launched their exclusive MAC X Cruella collection, which is something that I shared on my shorts and you guys got so excited about it. I was so excited about it. I really wanted to come here and share it in a bigger video as well. The first thing that I have in my hand is the MAC Lip Glass Lip Gloss. It's really nice. It makes your lips just look super yummy, glossy, like ऐसे खा जाओ वाले lips लगते हैं. So I like that. It looks good. That's my explanation for it. So next up, I have a mini of the stroke cream. This is the pink light shade. Beautiful, amazing to carry in your bag, and I think it just looks beautiful. Next up is the Powder Kiss liquid lip color from MAC. So this one is the shade 979 Impulsive. This is the Powder Kiss liquid lip color. So because I pulled a red shade pehle, I also quickly wanted to show you this red shade. Now this one is from the MAC X Cruella collection and it's beautiful. One, because the entire collection is half white, half black in packaging, and I think that's obviously signature Cruella, but it's also so pretty and so cute. I have more lipsticks and there's literally so much more in the packet. I'm just gonna run this through with the shades and the swatches. This one is in the shade 611 Please Me. The next one is the shade 928 Sheer Outrage. Then it's 702 Dangerous. Next is 819 Rebel. Then 205 Creme in Your Coffee. This one is 659 Natural Born Leader. This is 923 Stay Curious. This is 311 New York Apple. This one is 128 Smoked Almond. This is the mini, which is the shade 810. This is the mini shade of Ruby Woo, which is their retro matte lipstick. This is the shade 105 Feels So Grand. So this shade is called Glamourky. This one is called Queen of Mean. This one is called Camden Caper. This one is called Sweet and Vicious. This one is called Devil in the Details. This is the mini and it's called Iglued to You. Okay, so we're done with the lipsticks for now. I do have some lip liners as well. They come in this packaging, really pretty. This is the shade Shikori. This one is the shade Cherry. And this one is called Spice. We've all heard of MAC Prep Plus Prime, and that's the spray that we all love. There's also a lip conditioner, lip balm sort of a variant, and this would actually go really well under your lipsticks. That's what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to prime your lips for any sort of lipsticks, any sort of lip product that's going to come on top of it, and it just makes it moisturized and hydrated and happy. Okay, next up we have eyeliners. It's called Craft Black Technicolor liner. This is basically dual ended and dual shaded. So one side is white, one side is black, and of course this is from the MAC X Cruella collection. Next up, I got sent a huge dabba from Cuffs and Lashes, and they always send me so much stuff and such cute stuff. So there's a lot of stuff that is untouched and I would like to not swatch because I want to put a lot of things in the giveaway. Before I show you dabbe wala saman, I also want to quickly show you this palette that I actually have used and tried. This is the Enchanting palette. This has 35 shades. It's for $14.99 and I think it's priced really well for the kind of quality you get and also the amount of shades you get. And I think Cuffs and Lashes as a brand is great for beginners, so you should definitely try. I have been planning to do a full deep dive into the brand Cuffs and Lashes, so I'm going to save that for the next video. And now I'm going to quickly show you all the eyeshadow palettes that I got from them. Okay, first of all, I have these 3-9 pan eyeshadow palettes. These are priced at ₹350, which I think is fantastic. There's a black version, there's a green version, and there's also a red version. Now, a couple of these products broke in transit, so I was a little upset about that, and it has kind of like spilled over to the rest of my stuff. So that was a complaint I had from the brand. But otherwise, I think the price, the quality that you get for the price, it's all amazing. Next up, I have these 7 eyeshadow palettes. These are all 4-pan palettes and they come with a really weird paintbrush sort of a brush. So you can use that brush only if you're using a setting spray and using the eyeshadow as a liner or something, but otherwise it's really of no use. Apart from eyeshadow, they also sent me 3 full palettes. One is a contour palette, the other is a blush palette, and then there's a highlighter palette. One very interesting thing that I got sent from Cuffs and Lashes was this. This is the matte 5-in-1 lipstick and it basically works like वो lead वाली pencils होती थी ना, एक के पीछे एक लगाते रहते थे once it used to get over. So I also got sent a powder blush and a powder contour. Okay, so Cuffs and Lashes done. Let's move on to this Nykaa wala packet which actually has a mix of things. मुझे ना पुरानी पैकेजिंग मिल नहीं रही थी बाकी चीज़ों की, तो मैंने सारा इस वाले पेपर बैग में डाल दिया. This is this beautiful lipstick from Color Bar. It's the Sinful Matte Lip Color. This is from Plum. It's their Hello Aloe Micellar Cleansing Water. One of the best micellar cleansing waters I've used. See, I told you there might be more MAC stuff here and there, and I can't believe I missed showing this to you guys earlier. But this is the eyeshadow palette from the MAC X Cruella collection, and I'm in love. I love this palette, one because of the beautiful shades it has, but more so because it's a magnetic palette. So you can break it, you can just carry the one that you like, you can carry just the doubles, just the stuff that you want, or you can carry it as a whole, just the 3. So it's just a lot of fun. Isko ulta pulta karne mein bhi maza aata hai. Okay, so this is the brand that I was talking to you guys about right in the beginning of the video, which is Kiro. They have recently launched their liquid matte lipsticks and I got sent pretty much the whole range of nudes. I think there are 8 shades in here. It's a beautiful light formulation. It also stays really put under your mask, and that's something that I really like about it. This shade is called Sandy Rose. This one is called Nutmeg Nude. This is called Sandy Mauve. This one is called Peachy Nude. This one is called Nude Mocha. This one is Sandy Rose. This one is Nude Lily. And the last one is Cinnamon Nude. So this is another lip balm sort of a tint from Bobbi Brown. This is also something that I absolutely swear by. This I use more of as a lip balm more than a tint because this is the shade Bare Pink and this literally is bare pink. You can barely see it on your lips. It's so beautiful. It has the most delicate, beautiful, subtle sparkle in it and it makes your lips look really healthy, juicy, very tasty. So I love this. Okay, I have another product from MAC. This is the Strobe Cream. This is in the full size and this is the shade Gold Light. This is the Damn Girl Mascara. This is the mini one. It's super pretty. I'm yet to try it out properly. This one is the Better Than Sex Mascara and it's a really good mascara. This is the full size. I really like this one. And the last thing in this packet is from Becca. This is the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. I've been trying to be so quick with this video, like I'm really trying, so I hope you're not bored because I do have a lot more interesting products to show you. So now we have this beautiful box from Bodice, and Bodice is a website that sells some amazing brands. Recently they onboarded all the Estee Lauder brands onto their website. So I got a refill of the Strobe Cream and this is again the Gold Light. Since I have an extra, this is going in the giveaway. Then this is a new product that I'm yet to try. This is the Clinique Even Better Makeup SPF and this is in the shade Butterscotch, which I think is a little bit warm for me, but I can mix it with another foundation and try it out. And then I got this lipstick set from Smashbox. This is the Smashbox X Malvika Always On Mini Matte Duo. I already have this one. I've used it. I also have the shade, so this is also going in the giveaway. This is another lipstick and lip shade that I have loved and talked about in the past. This is from Smashbox. It's the shade Gulabi, which is a beautiful pinkish nude. Would work really well with dusky Indian skin tones. So again, putting it in the giveaway. This is my refill of the Bobbi Brown Smoky Eyes Mascara. I love this product. I always keep running out of mascara, so I'm super glad to be restocked. Then I have 2 mini lipsticks. One is in the shade Meher, which is also a cult favorite, and the other is in the shade Diva, and I'm putting both these in the giveaway. Okay, so 2 more of the glosses that I love from Bobbi Brown. One is in the shade Freestyle and the other is in the shade Love Letter. Beautiful. I love these. I will take them to my grave. I also bought this mini Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara. I also bought a full sized, which is in one of these packets. I love this mascara. This is one of my absolute favorite mascaras ever. It makes my lashes go whoosh and they look so nice and thick and fluttery, so I love that. I bought a mini first and then I went ahead and bought a full size. I got another smoky eye refill. This is a tiny one, so this works really well when I'm traveling, even for like normal work or traveling for leisure in general. ठीक है, I have a feeling कि मैंने ये palette पहले दिखाया हुआ है, but this is the highlighter palette from PAC and I am very impressed with this one. Okay, I got 4 more lip shades from Kiro. This came in a couple days ago, actually quite recently, and these are lip butters. Okay, so मैं एक बहुत चिंदी बात बताऊँ, but मुझे मज़ा भी आया. ये पैकेट मैंने खोला हुआ था, but I wanted to put it here, so we put the tape back on. So we're unboxing it again. That's a little sad, but it's also kind of oh. Shrishti, तूने 3 बार tape की. My sister has. Wow. Okay, that's some commitment to the work. Okay, it does now feel like a real unboxing, so I'm a little happy about that. Calabar sent me a bunch of products and they sent me a few doubles as well. So Shrishti पीछे बैठ के मेरी बहन मुस्कुरा रही है because she has already उसने नज़र लगा दी इन प्रोडक्ट्स में. मैं गिव अवे पे चाह के भी नहीं डाल सकती क्योंकि मुझे लगता है रास्ते में ही टूट जाएंगे उसको नहीं मिला तो. They have sent me this Cheek Illusion blush. This is in the shade Pink Pinch. So I have 2 of these, one for me and one for Shrishti. Then this is actually super interesting because this is a eyeshadow palette. It's a 4-pan eyeshadow palette and this is in the shade PS I Love You. Okay, so I have 2 primers from Calabar and this one we are being nice about. We're sharing because I have a lot of primers. I actually have used this. This was like the first primer I ever used and I used to use this a lot in office. So this is what I will be putting in the giveaway. I will be putting one of these because I have already used one. So one of this goes in the giveaway. This one I might have in the future or Shrishti might take it off my hands. We would never know. Then in the end, I have a mascara and a liquid liner, both of which I have used and tried and I love. I realized that my hair looks crazy in this video and that's because I crimped my hair for another video. So वो video तो हो गया but ये crimping नहीं गई and it's very difficult to style. So please excuse my hair. First up, I have 4 lipsticks from Estee Lauder. These lipsticks are also absolutely beautiful. This one is called Persuasive. This is called Decisive Poppy and this one's called Irrepressible. Okay, so this is from a homegrown Indian brand. It's called the Act Beauty Velvet Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade Sweet Obsession. So Maybelline launched a coffee collection, I believe, and they had a lot of beautiful coffee colored lipsticks. I have 2 over here. This shade is the shade Caramel Collector and the other one is the shade Mocha Inventor. Okay, इस product का explanation देने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. This is my PAC Lash Fixer, which is a lash glue. I bought 4 because I was out of my stock and ये बस एक restock है. You see it in pretty much every single makeup haul, so you guys know I love this product. Okay, so these are the 2 new base products that I recently purchased and काफ़ी इन्हीं दोनों products ने काफ़ी bill बिठा दिया था. First of all, I am so excited about this foundation. So this is a Givenchy foundation and this is the Matters Me Velvet foundation. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. This is in the shade 04 Matte Beige. I have tried it. It looks beautiful. I do feel that this is a little bit lighter for me, but it does work. Like I can make it work with the bronzer and all and I really like it. But I want you guys to wait for a full review of my like high-end expensive foundations and I will put a review of this one in that very soon. The next new base product that I bought is this concealer from Benefit. This is the Buoyant Concealer. It looks like an eraser and a pencil. I think it's super cute. This is in the shade number 3. Yep, and the last thing is my full-size Benefit Bad Girl Bang Mascara. Okay, last 2 things. Congratulations guys, I'm finally going to end this video. I'm so happy for all of us. So this is a packet that I received from Maybelline and this has all like mini things. So there are like mini lipsticks, travel sized basically. Travel size lipsticks and foundations in it. So there are different shades of foundation and lipsticks and it also comes in this super cute pouch and I'm putting the entire thing in the giveaway. हमने ना इस वाले डब्बे में भी टेप लगा लिया था, वो मैंने खोल लिया ऑफ कैमरा. Okay, so this last packet is from Nykaa. I have opened these things, I've used these things, but I didn't specifically show it here on YouTube, so I really wanted to. Nykaa recently launched their color correcting primers, and this is like a hybrid product. So it's a color corrector and a primer, sort of like a base that works really well, and this would be really beginner friendly if you don't know how to use color correctors. They also sent me their Strobe and Glow. This is in the shade Glazed Bronze. Okay, so I am in love with this foundation. This is the Nykaa Skin Shield foundation. I have two shades because I wasn't sure which one to get online. Another product that I loved from Nykaa, which I don't know why I tried very recently, is this. This is the Brow Girl Brow Definer in the shade Bewitched Chestnut. I obviously had to buy and restock my HT Loose Setting Powder, so I got one more in the shade Vanilla. And to end this big ass crazy haul slash unboxing, I have the last product, which is the Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color. मैं excitement में खोलते हुए इसका ज़रा packaging फट गया. My apologies for that. This is in the shade 23 Pink Poison. It's so beautiful. I also really like the formulation. It's a little bit drying since it's a matte formulation, but just wear a lip balm underneath and this is just going to stay in place and look super beautiful. Okay, so as always, there will be multiple winners. This is the first packet that I'm giving away. This is the Maybelline Mini Wala kit. So I'm going to put in the Meher Mini lipstick from MAC. I'm going to put in the Color Bar primer, and I'm also going to put in the Lakme Absolute lipstick for winner number 1. So the next winner is going to win this bundle. This is the Smashbox Always On Mini Matte Duo set, and this is the contour set from Cuffs and Lashes. So winner number 2 gets this. So winner number 3 gets this bundle. One is this palette and the other is the stroke cream from MAC. Winner number 4 is going to get this bundle. This consists of the Smashbox Gulabi lipstick, the MAC Mini Diva lipstick, and this eyeshadow palette from Cuffs and Lashes. And the last winner is going to get this super special hamper because I'm going to give you my Jigar Ka Tukda, which is the face base from Bobbi Brown, and I'm also going to give you a new lip butter from Kiro Beauty. And that's it for all the giveaway bundles. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you like this video if you do, which are also the rules of the giveaway. You have to like this video, you have to subscribe to my channel, and just drop down a comment saying that you have participated, and I'll be super excited to see you in the next video and also in the comments of this video. So yeah, I can't wait for you to participate. I hope you enjoy the products that I'm giving away and also the coming videos, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Baki ke sare details will be in the description. Bye.